Hey guys, this is Audrine. Today I am going to be doing a monster girl makeup tutorial sort of look. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna be doing yet or how it's gonna look, but I'm really excited. I am also going to be doing it a little bit different from my last one where you're gonna see my mirror up in my face probably. And I am also wearing some mesh lenses for this look because I think it'll be really cool when it's done. But the sucky part about that is it's pretty hard for me to see. I just don't want to risk ruining my makeup afterwards putting in my contacts, so I'm gonna do my best in this video, and if you think that's just like really stupid, you can totally let me know. But I'm pretty excited for this, so I'm just gonna start it. So first I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my Distinct Brow and Lash in Blue Fish, and I'm going to be using an angled brush. And those are my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to be taking a flat brush and I'm going to be using my Too Faced concealer, and I'm going to go around my eyebrows and like make them look smoother. And now that I have my concealer around my eyebrows, I'm going to take the bottom part and I'm going to still use my flat brush and I'm going to pull down the concealer all over my eyes. I don't really use eyeshadow primer, but I do start with a base of my concealer before I do my eyeshadow. Okay, and now that I have finished my eyebrows and the base of my eyes, I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. For this, I'm going to be using my I Heart Revolution Blueberry Crush palette. It is really cute. If you haven't checked it out yet, you totally should. Not sponsored, but I really like this palette. And then I'm also going to be using this other I Heart Revolution palette in Raspberry. And this one is also super cute, has super cute colors. I'm going to be doing the same thing for both eyes, I'm pretty sure. So I'm just going to do it. And yep, those are the two palettes I'm going to be using. Excited to show you guys what it's going to end up being because I don't know yet either. Okay, and now I've finished my eyeshadow. I think it looks good. I'm not too sure how well blended it is, so I'm sorry if it's if it's horrible. But this is how I start my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to be taking my NYX liquid eyeliner and I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. I don't finish my eyeshadow until I do my eyeliner because of the bottom part that I do. Here's my first eye. Wish me luck on my second eye. Okay, so here's my eyes. I am now going to be taking my NYX pencil in the color Milk. Here's mine. And I'm going to be using it under my eyes for the white parts under my eyes. Now I'm going to go back in with my NYX liquid liner and I'm going to fix the bottom part. And next, I'm going to put on foundation. It's going to be my Kat Von D foundation. Mine's really gross looking, but it's this one. My shade is light 45 neutral, in case anyone was wondering. And so here's my face with foundation on it. And next, I'm actually going to be using my heart and star stamps from Milk Makeup, and I'm going to put it all over my face. And here's my face. Not too sure how into it I am right now, but I'm hoping once I'm done with everything, it'll all come together and it'll all look really cool. And so next, I'm going to do the bottom of my eyes with the same eyeshadow palettes I was using before. Awesome, and next I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D Fetish palette and I'm going to be putting blush on my face. My favorite one is this one. And then I'm gonna take my powder brush and I'm going to be using my Kat Von D powder and I'm going to blend my blush. And then I'm going to take my liquid eyeliner again and I'm going to make some upside down edgy crosses under my eyes. Wish me luck. And then next I'm going to take my white and I'm going to highlight my eyeliner as well as the little drips under my eyes. And here is my face now. I'm going to be taking my clear eyelash glue and I'm going to be putting it here and I'm going to put some sparkles on my eyes also. And then I'm going to be using my matte lipstick and a small makeup brush and I'm going to try and color in the stars and the hearts on the sides of my face so they're more colorful. And then next, I'll be doing my lipstick with these two colors. The first color I'm going to be using is called Melancholia by Kat Von D. And the second color I'm going to be using is called Dreamer by Kat Von D. And then next, I'm going to be using this heavy metal glitter eyeliner from Urban Decay, and I'm going to kind of just like poke it on my face so it's a little more like sparkly with the stars and the hearts and stuff when I move my face. And then I'm gonna use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then I'm going to be using the Kat Von D lash liner for the top part of my lash line. If you end up using this, just make sure that you're really patient. And now that I finished that, I'm gonna go back with my white eyeliner and I'm going to try to add little teeth on my lip. And there are my little fangs. It looks pretty cute when my mouth is closed. And then I'm going to be adding my eyelashes, and I think that's it for the look pretty much. I'm gonna add some highlighter too, and then I'm gonna get all dressed and show you what it looks like when it's all done. The eyelashes I'm gonna be using is my eyelashes from Bombshell Cosmetica. They don't have the specific names on the packages, but I love all of Bombshell Cosmetica's eyelashes. I think they're all really pretty. And I'm gonna use these eyelashes, I don't know where they're from honestly, and I'm gonna put some bottom lashes on. See how that looks. It feels funny. I can like feel it tickling my cheek. What do you think? Okay, and next I'm gonna be using my highlighter from Monave Makeup. And then I got these really cute band-aids from Target, so the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a cute band-aid on my nose. Here's my completed makeup look. I'm gonna put on a wig and I'm gonna put on a cute outfit, and then I will wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means so much to me that you would check out my video. I am going to be doing more makeup tutorials in the future, so if you like this video, please let me know by commenting or even giving me a like. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me that you, I think I've already said that, but it means so much. There's no words to express how much I appreciate you checking out my video. I am really just doing my best, and any feedback too I would really appreciate. I love you guys so much, and I hope you all have an amazing day because you totally deserve it. You are so freaking awesome. In case you're wondering about anything that I'm wearing, I will do my best to remember to put everything I can down below. But if I can't, / in general, my wig is from Youvimi and my sweater is from Unuzzystore. You can use my discount code honeybuzz for both of those stores to save some money. My choker is from Wish, and my purple bow is from Hot Topic. I have a little Hello Kitty puff band thing, or puff clip that I got in Japantown. A lot of my hair clips are just from Hot Topic. This one is from Cute Parade, which is one of my favorite stores. They go to conventions a lot too, and the owner's really nice also, so definitely check out her store if you haven't yet. And that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you checking out this video. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.